All right, lesson 12.3, solving one-step inequalities. This is going to be the hardest lesson you guys have ever had. Let me show you what the deal is, okay? Here is the equation, okay? We're not doing equations today, but I'm going to show you an equation. Ready? So it'd be like, x plus 5 equals 7, okay? What do I do to solve this equation? What do I do, Kendall?
You do 7 minus...
No. What do I do, Jonathan? Line down the equal sign. Right? I know you know. Line down the equal sign. Then you see if the variable's happy. Is the variable happy? No. Why not? There's a 5 there. What's the 5 doing to him? He's being added to him. How do I get rid of him? How do I get rid of him? How do I get rid of him? Thank you. Minus 5. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other, right? These two are now gone. That leaves me with x equals, what is 7 minus 5? 2. How do I know if I did that right? Check it. You put the 2 back up where you said x was, right? So is 2 plus 5 7? Yes, we got it right. Okay, that was an equation. I'm going to show you an inequality. X plus 5 is greater than 7. Okay, are you ready? Here it is. First step, what do you think it is? Line down the inequality. We don't say equal sign because it's not an equal sign. You say line down the inequality. The next step is you check to see if the variable's happy. Is he happy? No. He's got a 5 there. What's the 5 doing to him? Adding. How do I get rid of him? Minus 5 minus 5. X greater than 2. What's the difference between the two lessons? What's the difference? It's not an equal sign. It's an inequality. Is that hard? Oh. So nothing changes here, people, except it's not an equal sign now. It's an inequality. The only thing that happens here is that in the end, they will probably have to ask you to graph it. So if in the end you come up with x is greater than 2, can you graph x is greater than 2? Do you remember how to do that? Right? That's it. That's it. So it is not, this is a difficult assignment at all. Let me give you a couple just to see, and then we'll let you get started. Do number, on page 583, do number 7 and do number 13. Yeah, 13 is good. Actually, do number 16. Sorry, not 13, do 16. First one, line down the inequality. You watching? Z minus 5. He's not happy. There's a minus 5 there. Opposite of minus 5 is plus 5. If I add 5 to one side, I have to add 5 to the other. Z is less than 5. Done. If you were to graph it, 0, 5, it's less than 5. Right? That's why it goes back that way. If you were going to graph it, that's what you'd have to do. Number, what is it, 16? 13 plus f. Okay, line down the inequality. Is the variable happy? No. There's 13 there. What's the 13 doing to him? Adding to him. Minus 13, minus 13. They're gone. F is less or greater than. Now, you have to go, what is 7 minus 13? This is where you have to think of the poker chips, right? You have 7 positive poker chips, 13 negative poker chips. When you take away the pairs, how many pairs am I taking away? 7 pairs. I'm taking away 7 pairs. That leaves me with what left on the table? 6 negative poker chips. Graphing it would look like this. It's greater than 6, negative 6.
Can it be 0?
What?
Can it be 0?
Can it be 0? Is 0 greater than negative 6? Yes. I think you guys are fine. I'm going to give you your homework. Might as well. All right, here we go.